sticker pack, and this looks like a very thorough.
Yes, we're gonna put Wilwood everywhere.
Nice sticker pack. It is gonna say Wilwood everywhere you see around this car.
So we bought the Wilwood brake kit for the Mini Cooper 4piston, and I'm just going through all the small little boxes inside this big box to make sure we have everything for our kit for the race car. And it looks like brackets. These are the pads, probably. Yep.
BP10.
BP10?
Yeah, I don't even know if we're gonna put those on the car.
Yeah, exactly.
40 should be here any day if they're not already.
I doubt we're gonna put it on.
Like you said, those BP10s would last about 20 minutes on the track.
One caliper.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm a sucker for black.
And this is the second caliper. Second caliper. Yep, very nice. And we did get the rotors with them too. So this is the hat, one hat, two hat, hat number 2. And James, we looked online, and how much were the replacement discs?
Replacement discs were about $145 each. So that's not bad.
Pretty good, actually. Considering on the Type R, they're like 300.
300?
Yeah, for the gyro discs.
For the gyro discs.
Yeah. Ooh. Is this gonna fit, dude? Looks a lot bigger.
12.2.
Nice.
I like it.
Looks really good. You know what we should do? We should take the wheel off.
Yeah.
And just compare it.
Get an idea here. So this is a 16-inch wheel. This is a 12.2 inch or 12.19 inch rotor.
Definitely 17s.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit on 16s.
Good thing we've already got a set of 17s ready to go.
Yeah.
Nice. So that is the Wilwood DynaPro 4piston brake kit for the R53 Mini Cooper S. Now the one thing we didn't highlight yet is the most important part with any part purchase, and that, my friends, is the sticker pack. And this looks like a very thorough...
Yes, we're gonna put Wilwood everywhere.
Nice sticker pack. It is gonna say Wilwood everywhere you see around this car. Because we are so excited to have this big brake kit. We have been wanting this big brake kit for a very long time.
Very, very long time. So that was it. That was the unboxing. Not really an unboxing, but just whatever.
Yeah. Rifle through the parts.
Yes.
That's all that matters.